Hi friends, so I'm here with the one, the only Casper. Hey Casper. Casper is all strapped in but still finds a way to come forward. Casper. Hey boy. Hi. Alright guys, so I'm here post work day at Discount Beauty Supply store because my hair, as you guys can see, I pulled it out, so I need to wash. Well, I washed it, but I need to do a deep condition because right now it's looking dry, like dry, crusty, like the Sahara Desert dust, like dry. As well as I walked to Discount the other day and I saw some new beauty stuff, so I'm gonna go check those out. As you guys have been seeing, my face is a hot ass mess, so I'm gonna pick up some stuff for my face, my hair. All right, I'm going. So guess who's home? I am at my parents' house and I'm in the chair. OT Just Nella people will know this chair. This chair where I did all of my sit down videos and chatting, my little space in my parents' living room. Hi guys, so I'm just here doing a quick unboxing for you guys. As you saw, I went and I picked up some stuff at Discount Beauty, so I'm just going to show you what I got because they be pricey and I don't know what I spend in, like you know what, I'm gonna speak it into real. I'm a rich girl. Anyways, yeah, I picked up some stuff from Discount Beauty, and the reason why I picked them up is like these stuff are supposed to last me for at least 2 months. At least, and it's 3 months if I can stretch it, but at least 2 months. I'm not like, that's one of the reasons why I was willing to spend so much on it, because girl, boy, it was a lot, right? My bill, oh, let me find the bill and tell you guys how much I spent. I think I spent over $14,000. What is wrong with me? Why does I spend? Listen, Nella, March is coming and you have to be making money moves, not spending moves. Anyways, let me just show you what I got and stop my chatting. Here is my bag. Discount has started to give out paper bags, which is lame. I like my little discount bags. Anyways, so the first thing I have is this got to be glued. It is for $12.35 plus tax. Why I buy this is because I feel like maybe I want to try a wig or two, and you know, this is what the wig girls use, so I think I need to get it so I can, like, when I get my first wig, because time to comb hair, time to do hair. I'm not about this life. Tired it, my tired. Okay, back. Alright, now the next thing about was like this was the real reason why I went to this company. Shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm trying the Aussie Miracle Moist in the shampoo. This is the avocado and jojoba oil, and this was $9.25 plus tax each. Now I've never used the Aussie before, but you know, a lot of people like it, and this one is said to be very moisturizing, and my hair has been dry like chips, so I bought these to try them out, and hopefully they work. And I needed a moisturizing because I already have like a clarifying shampoo and conditioner. Casper, call me bottom now. I also picked up this dry shampoo from Batiste, and this one was $9.70 plus tax. So you know, for those of you guys who don't know, dry shampoo is like used between wash days to help, you know, cleanse the hair without having to wet the hair. So I picked this up to see how it works. I've never really, I haven't used a dry shampoo in a very long time, like in years. So I want to try this one. I also picked up the Aussie Miracle Moist, and this is the deep conditioner, right? And this was for $9.60 plus tax. So this one is the one to, you know, put all the moisture in, soak it in and soak it up good. So I got this, and then I also picked up this Zimmy, which is a leave-in conditioner, right? And this is made in Jamaica, and I wanted to try it because I like to try Jamaican made products because they usually come at a more affordable price. This was $5.60 plus tax, and it helps to support local brands and local businesses. So you know, if any local brands and businesses want to send me stuff to try, I will willingly try them because I like to support them. So, and I like to make sure that they get what they need. So this is what I bought, Zimmy, and this one has coconut and hibiscus oil, so hopefully it works out and it looks good. Alright, so this is the last of the hair products that I picked up. This is the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and this was for $500 plus tax. Comes like this. And it's just a hair conditioner with Jamaica Black Castor Oil, which you know is said for the hair growth and all of that length retention and shiz. So I bought this to try it out. Never used it before. All of these products are new to me, so it's like I'm trying out new stuff, so you guys don't have to. Okay? Now moving on. I bought this nail enamel dryer, which is just because I wanted to get back into doing my nails and doing nail art, so I can use this and then make my nails dry faster, because who wants to be sitting down for hours? Oh, I lied. I also picked up this hair wax. This is for hair for $3.50 plus tax to try and, you know, control those edges. Alright, now a grapevine. So I was combing through the aisles, you know, checking things out, and I booked up on these. These are made by Aritons, and these are some skincare serums, right? So this is the Defy Age anyway, and this is the hyaluronic acid, and this is for $16.10 plus tax. This is the niacinamide, and this one is for $16.10 plus tax as well. And this is the vitamin C, and this one is for $17.85 plus tax. And for anybody who knows me, like, part of my essential skincare items are these three. These three are like baseline skincare for me, and I have been out of them for like a month or two, which is probably why I'm having these huge ass pimples come up on my skin. Like, whoever have toxic love, keep it to yourself. you guys, anybody's parents or relative used to call these things love bombs because they're supposed to be because someone loves you. Like, keep your toxic love to yourself. I like my skin. Okay, but yeah, so I picked these up because they are made in Jamaica, products of Jamaica, and it's basically the same thing what you get when you know, buying it online and shipping it to Jamaica, and it might end up work out to like the same cost. So I thought I'll try these out and see how they work out. When I was cashing them, the cashier was like making conversation, and she said that they're actually really good because she has them and she needs to restock on her vitamin C one because, you know, she has them and she uses them every day and she really likes it and her skin looks good. So I'm going to take it as a recommendation because it was literally the only thing that she mentioned up when she was cashing me out. So I don't think she's just trying to sell it, but she did say and she did mention it. So I'm going to take her word for it and try them. Final thing is these soaps. These are coconut oil face and body soap. I use them as body soaps, not really face soap, and it's just to keep my skin loose, soft and smooth like butter. If you guys ever, you know, have touched my skin, my skin is actually pretty soft. Don't come and touch me, not in these COVID times, unless I know you. Like, if I don't know you, don't just come up and touch me. Like, not in these corona times, sir, ma'am. But if you've ever met me and touched my skin, you know that skin is soft, and it's for soaps like this. I've never used this particular brand. I usually use the True Natural soap, but I'm gonna try this one and see how it works. And this one was around $285 plus tax for these 2 small bars of soap. Again, another product of Jamaica, and I like to support small businesses, local businesses. The last thing I got is actually something I got from my sister. If you guys don't know, my sister Ornika, you know, the one who looks like me but is not smart. She's my sister. Anyway, my sister Ornika, she's been on the channel before. It was her birthday the other day. Late. If you haven't seen that vlog, then check it out. She operates a business called the Makeup Arcade, and she also sells ordinary products. So I didn't get a toner. They didn't have any toners that I liked. So I picked this up from her. This is for $2,550, tax included, and she has a glycolic acid toner. She also has other ordinary stuff. So if you want your products from her, she also has ordinary. She has oh god, what is that brand? It's in Fontana for like $4,000 odd. Not set. Oh god, I am having a brain freeze right now. I'll put it on the screen when I remember. But she also has those products. She also has sunscreen. She has makeup, so all the palettes, lipstick, lip gloss needs, makeup, as well as skincare needs. And you can always check out Ornika. And then Olivia for all your lip gloss, nails, lashes. Olivia also has her prep and set collection, so you can check her out as well. I'm going to promote my sister's businesses because they're young entrepreneurs and they're doing something. They're doing the damn thing. So support my sisters and their businesses. Anyways, that is what I picked up. So that is my haul for tonight. In total, I spent like $14,000 after tax because tax is too much. Prices are too damn high, and a 30 grand weave and a 30 grand wig. Anyways, yeah, that is what I spent today, or no, not today, yesterday, because today is Wednesday and yesterday was Tuesday. This week has been kind of a slow week in terms of, you know, what was going on. Sunday I didn't do much. Monday I wasn't feeling well, so I did not do anything. I just lied down in a cocoon and wait for myself to feel better. Not COVID, guys, I just was not feeling well. And Tuesday I went and picked up some items from Discount Beauty. Today is Wednesday and I'm just chilling with my main home skillet biscuit, Casper, who is right here. Casper, you want to say something to the ladies? No, Casper is really just looking at me. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Also, yesterday I went to visit my sisters, my parents. I went to my parents' house, hung out with my sister's mother and stuff. My father. Yeah. Hello beautiful people. So today is Thursday. Like, I know I haven't done much vlogging this week. Like, it's been a struggle, but today I'm actually going out. Today is on my friend's birthday. Her name is Mifa. She's also a fellow doctor and it is her birthday, so she wanted us to go out to dinner, and that is where I am getting ready to go now. So I'm gonna do a mini get ready with me. I mean, as best as possible. My lips feel dry, pardon me. I'm just gonna moisturize a little because my lips feel a little dry. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but they feel dry like cheeks. So yeah, I'm gonna do a mini get ready with me, and then I'm gonna get ready to go. Dinner is at 7:45. It's around 7 now, so I should be ready in time, or I should be finished in time, because as you can see, I'm already dressed. I already have on my outfit, so it's just to put on my makeup and then head out. All right, let's do this thing. So beginning with the usual, so you guys know how the preset. I use primer, then put on some I use primer, put on some concealer, foundation, the works. So enough chattering, and let's just do the damn thing. All right. So today I'm using the Sasha Mattify primer, or should I use, wait, use the Black Radiance complexion primer. Alright guys, so I'm ready. How do I look? Makeup done. Alright, let's go. It's about that time. Ready?
Where you go? I don't know. You have to flip your camera. Oh. We're gonna. Already? No one marked out. One shot, one done. Two.
Hi Casper. Hi baby kids. Who's a good boy? Alright guys, so I'm home now. I just got in. Gonna clean up my makeup and head to bed.